Good morning, children. Fourth class students. First lesson, plants preparing and storing food. Yesterday we finished short answers as well as long answers also. No? Okay. Have you learned the answers? Question answers. How many question answers you have to learn? Hard words, short answers, question answers. Daily you have to learn some. Okay, children. Today we have to write think and answer. Okay, next bit. E bit. Think and answer. Think and answer. See children, you have to keep your textbook in front of you. You have to see the textbook and write the question. Okay children, you have to write the question first of all. I will write on the board only answer children. Okay. First answer. What is the first question? You have to read that first question. What is the question? The leaves of a plant kept in the dark do not produce starch. Why? The leaves of a plant we have to kept in the dark does not produce the starch. Why? Why? Because already we know the food preparation process name photosynthesis. That the leaves have chlorophyll, but they need sunlight. Next, carbon dioxide, water. So we kept in the dark room means the sunlight is not falling on the plant. So the starch is not present in that plant. Okay children, you have to write that answer. Water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll. Water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll. Water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight are required. And sunlight are required. Sunlight are required. Sunlight are required. This is the Q. Sunlight are required by plants to prepare food. By plants to prepare food. Prepare food. The leaves of plant kept in the dark. The leaves of plant kept in the dark. Kept in the dark. Do not produce starch. Do not produce starch. As photosynthesis does not take. As photosynthesis does not take place in those leaves, in absence of sunlight. Absence of sunlight. Okay children, this is the answer. Water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight are required by plants to prepare food. That is called photosynthesis. The leaves of plant kept in the dark do not produce starch, as photosynthesis does not take place in those leaves in absence of sunlight. The process will make going on, but the sunlight is very important to make the photosynthesis process. So absence of sunlight, it cannot produce the starch. Next, second answer. This is the What is the question? A yellow leaf cannot prepare food. Why? A yellow leaf cannot prepare food. Why? We know already. We know very well. Mushrooms that are looking white color. That is also depending on another dead and decaying plants. So like that, these yellow leaves also. Yellow color, it is unable to prepare the food. Green color have means it contains chlorophyll. Yellow color, no chlorophyll. That's why it is not prepare the food. So only green leaves can make food for the plants. Only green leaves can make food for the plants. Food for the plants. Since they contain chlorophyll, a yellow leaf in those leaves in a yellow leaf does not contain chlorophyll. So it cannot prepare food. Does children understand? Simply have only green leaves can make food for the plant since they contain chlorophyll. Green plants, green leaves only contain the chlorophyll. That's why they can prepare food. A yellow leaf does not contain chlorophyll, so it cannot prepare food. Okay, understand children? Next third question, right? You only write the third question. What is the third question? Fish live longer in an aquarium. Do you know aquarium? Aquarium, glass box, have no some members, they have to showcase purpose. They kept in their homes, in the hall, showcase purpose. They are maintaining the aquariums. Okay children, see here, fish live longer in an aquarium with water plants in it than in one without them. Why? Okay, some water plants also having that aquarium. They can depend on each other. Fishes gives out to carbon dioxide, and that water plants have no. The water plants also gives out to oxygen. So the fish takes oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide takes the water plants. They can depend each other. That's why the breathing process continuously moving on. That's why no problem at all. That fishes also healthy growing on the aquariums. Okay, write down. During photosynthesis. Okay, this completed now. Third one I will write upside. Okay children, during photosynthesis, a leaf takes in third answer. You have to write the question. Once again I am repeating, you have to see in your textbook, write the question. I am writing only answer. Don't confuse. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide. A leaf takes in carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. Gives out oxygen. And water vapor through the stomata. And water vapor through the stomata. Stomata. Through the stomata. So fishes get more oxygen to breathe. So fishes get more oxygen to breathe. In an aquarium, breathe in. In an aquarium, so fishes give more oxygen to breathe in. Fishes get more oxygen. Okay children, so fishes get more oxygen to breathe in an aquarium with water plants in it. With water plants in it. Than in one without them. Than in one without them. Without them. Okay children, once you have to observe. During photosynthesis, a leaf takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen and water vapor through the stomata. Okay, you know very well this process. So, fishes get more oxygen to breathe in an aquarium with water plants in it than in one without them. Water plants have no, they give more oxygen to fishes. Fishes takes more oxygen, gives out carbon dioxide. They can understand. That's why the fish is growing healthy in the aquarium also. Understand children? Okay, completed now. See here. Experiment have no, one experiment have here. Do and learn experiment. Check out the stomata. You have to do this experiment at your home. Okay children? Take a potted plant. Apply a heavy layer of Vaseline on the top of a few leaves. You have to take a fresh water potted plant. Okay, one plant. This much plant have means you have to take a one small plant. Okay children, you have to apply Vaseline on the leaves of some top leaves. You have to take some top leaves. You have to apply Vaseline. A few leaves. Cover them with a polythene bag. Plastic covers have no. You have to tie it. Cover with the plastic bags. Okay. Now apply a heavy layer of Vaseline on the underside of a few other leaves. Okay, underside of a leaves also. Few leaves apply upside. Some few leaves you have to apply the underside of a leaf. Okay, have to as well as cover with the polythene covers. Okay children, underside of a few other leaves. Cover them with a polythene bag. Observe the leaves daily for a week. You have to observe the leaves daily. What happened? Some what difference do you see? Why? You have to must do this experiment. In your surroundings, so many plants have no. Just you have to do this experiment and observe. After week, I will ask what you observed. Okay, children. Next fun to do. See this. Add a drop of iodine solution to each of the following. Tick the ones that turn blue black. Discuss in your class why this happened. Okay, here given some examples. Bread, cooked rice, boiled potato, milk. Okay, I will give one clue for you. Why? Because you have to do it. First of all, already we did one experiment. Starch experiment. In the starch we are containing means we have to do one experiment and we are adding the iodine drops means in that leaf turns into blue black means in that leaf have starch. Okay, children. So when we are add any food item, iodine drops, some iodine drops we have to add any food item means it will turns into blue black means it contains the starch. Okay, children. So bread, cooked rice, boiled rice, milk. Only plant producing items only turns into blue black. Okay, children. Next year milk also have. You have to you only do this fun. Okay, children. Tomorrow I will say the answers. Okay, next field trip. Visit a botanical garden or a nursery in your town or city. Find out the names at the least 3 new plants. Mayuri Park have no. Sometimes you went to Mayuri Park. In case after as possible as you are going Mayuri Park means you have to find out some at least 3 new plants names. Okay, you have to collect find out, otherwise you have to know and write the names of the 3 new plants names. Okay, children, this is our class today. Completed our lesson, first lesson. Okay, children, this experiment you must do and fun to do also have to write that. You have to keep the tick mark only. Okay, children. Okay. Do the experiment. Okay, that is the homework today. Lesson experiment. Do first lesson experiment. Okay, children. Do the first lesson experiment. Completed today our first lesson. Thank you, children.